guys, it's time to eat our waffles. Felix, you don't even get syrup and he's eating already.
Oh man!
You want syrup?
Yes, please. Syrup.
That's enough. Mommy, can you please pass the fork? Okay, so guys, we are eating our waffles. Now. Watch the rest of the video if you want the recipe. They're so fluffy and golden.
Okay, let's get started on this video Kisara making this morning. So inside this bowl there, she have 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and now she's going to add 2 eggs to it. If you have a shell, get a spoon.
That was easy.
Yeah.
More easier than taking out the eye.
And now you're going to get your mixer, because what you're going to do, you're going to blend the egg and the sugar together until it's light and fluffy. So you're going to start on medium speed first. On medium. Okay. Then you start to blend or mix. So we're going to turn off the mixer now. Yes, let's turn off the mixer. Place it aside. Then you're going to add your wet ingredients to it. So inside the measuring cup there, because I already measure everything for her, she have 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. She have 1 1/3 cups of milk. She have 2 teaspoons of vanilla inside it. So what she's going to do now, she's going to pour it inside of the waffle, just like that.
Yeah.
Not the waffle, the eggs. Then she's going to take a whisk and she's going to lightly whisk it.
Whisk it?
Yes.
How will go whisk it?
Okay, now Kissy, stop. Then inside this bowl, set this aside. Inside this bowl right here, she have Felix, no. She have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. She have 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and she have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So what she's going to do, she's going to incorporate the dry ingredients in the wet ingredients. So mix it first so everything incorporates inside this. And then now you're going to add it a little bit at a time, because you don't want to lose the air out of. Let it whisk it a little bit at a time.
Whisk it a little bit at a time.
Yes. So we take out the waffle maker. So it already eats. So what Kisara going to do now is add the butter to the waffle maker. And she just placing it in the center
so you can spread.
I can spread it. Oh, it's red everywhere. Whoa!
okay, to see, and then we're going to close it down. So what she's doing now, guys, she's flipping it over, carrying it over, carrying it back over again on the other side, just like that. And she's going to leave it a little bit more, and then we're going to pull it out. You should
Smell it.
Oh.
okay, guys, look at that.
Wow.
Look how beautiful that looking. See that? So I just take my spatula and just lift it up, just
Then
like
you
that.
put it right there.
Yes, and then I set it again, and then I add more waffle to it.
Eat some. Whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, guys.
And we're finished, guys. So now we're going to eat these waffle Kisara made for the first time.
Waffle. Waffle. Waffle.
So guys, it's time to eat our waffles. Felix, you don't even get syrup and he's eating already.
Oh, man.
You want syrup?
Yes, please. Sip up. Sip up.
That's enough. Mommy, can you please have some fork?
Yeah. Wait, I'm trying to put salmon.
Okay, so guys, we are eating our waffles.
When eat
No.
it. Huh? So I tell my enemies.
Watch the rest of the video if you want the recipe.
Look at my hair right there.
They're so fluffy and golden.